Then there's a problem with the grinding sound. So if you will look closer, this one before it's not moving because of stuck toner. You see, too much toner. That's why this is the cause of grinding noise. Before, if you will rotate the drum, this one is not moving. It is stuck. This one is stuck. So now, if you will remove toner inside, so this is the problem. Toners become cake. So if you have printer vacuum, you can remove the toner. Maybe it will work. But for me, I replace all the unit. So now it's working fine.